Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Brevo and ActiveCampaign, two very powerful marketing platforms designed to help businesses automate communication, nurture leads, and build stronger customer relationships. I'll compare their features, pricing, user experience, and integrations. Of course, also support. So by the end of the video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your marketing strategy better. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Let's get started. First off, let's start with a quick overview of both platforms. Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue, is an all-in-one communication suite built for email, SMS, WhatsApp, CRM, and marketing automation. Now, its biggest selling point really is its simplicity, making it ideal for small and mid-sized businesses that want affordable, easy-to-use tools. On the other hand, ActiveCampaign is built around deeper marketing automation and CRM-powered personalization. It leans heavily toward advanced workflow building, behavior-based triggers, and data-driven campaigns, which really makes it a favorite among fast-growing businesses and marketing teams that really want a more sophisticated ecosystem. Let's talk about features. Brevo comes packed with tools for email marketing, SMS, WhatsApp, chat, forms, and of course, there's a built-in CRM. Plus, it includes AI content creation, drag and drop email design, marketing automation, segmentation, landing pages, and basic reporting. It really covers everything that most small businesses need without feeling overwhelming. Meanwhile, ActiveCampaign is all about powerful automation. You get advanced journey building, predictive actions, split testing inside automations, lead scoring, site tracking, event tracking, and deep personalization. It also includes a CRM with sales automation, custom pipelines, and robust segmentation. If automation complexity is your priority, ActiveCampaign goes a bit further than Brevo. Next up, user experience. Brevo is about as straightforward as you can get, clean and beginner friendly. You can launch campaigns quickly without needing technical skills. ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, feels a bit more advanced. Its dashboard gives you more data and more options, but it also requires more onboarding time. Once you get the hang of it, though, the flexibility is huge, especially for teams building multi-step customer journeys. Now, when it comes to integrations, Brevo connects with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Zapier, and many CRMs. ActiveCampaign integrates with more than 900 tools, including Salesforce, Magento, Slack, and Shopify. Now, its API is a bit stronger, and it generally offers more powerful integration depth, especially for sales and behavioral tracking. Now, let's compare pricing. Everyone wants to know about the numbers. Brevo's pricing tiers include starter at $9 per month, and the standard plan at $18 per month, and the professional plan jumps to $499 per month. Now, for their enterprise plan, you'll need to contact sales. It has custom pricing. ActiveCampaign's email pricing starts at $15 per month for the starter plan, $49 per month for Plus, $79 per month for Pro, and $145 per month for Enterprise. Now, WhatsApp pricing includes the core plan at $99 per month, the advanced plan at $99 per month, and the premium plan at $218 per month. The Email Plus WhatsApp pricing includes the Plus plan at $112 per month, the Pro plan at $142 per month, and the Enterprise plan at $284 per month. So, which one should you choose? If you want an affordable, easy-to-use platform that covers email, SMS, WhatsApp, and CRM in one place, Brevo is a great fit, especially for small teams and beginners. But if your business needs advanced automation, deeper personalization, stronger CRM workflows, and more robust integrations, ActiveCampaign is a good choice. If you want to get started with Brevo, please make sure to use the link below. It gives you 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, and it also unlocks a full Brevo course that teaches you how to use the platform. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.